So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an addition subtraction addition revision. For study the following example. For the first day of cricket match, 3,456 tickets were sold, while 14,978 tickets were sold. For the second day, how many tickets were sold in all? The total number of tickets were sold was 38,434. How they solved? There are keywords like altogether, together, and in all, etc. In that keywords we do addition. So we did addition. So what is 6 plus 8? It is 14. But how we will write 14? We will write like this or what? No. We will write 4 because it is in units place and 1 will be carry out. And what is 7 plus 5? It is 12. What is 12 plus 1? It is 13. So we will write 13. We will like directly 13 or what? No. We will write here 3 and 1 carry over. So now what is 9 plus 4? 9 plus 4 is 13. And what is 13 plus 1? It is 14. So we will write 4 because it is in the units place. And what is 1 carry over? What is 3 plus 4? It is 7. And what is 7 plus 1? It is 8. So we wrote here 8. What is 2 plus 1? It is 3. So the answer was 38,434. We have to add them. And what is 9? 9 plus 2 is 11. So we will write 1 and 1 carry over because 1 is unit place and 1 is in 10th place. So carry out 1. And what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Now I did 3 plus 1 because 1 was carried over. And there is nothing, so we will do nothing. And now after that we will do 7 plus 8. 8 is 15. We will write 5 and 1 carry over. Why we write 15? Like 5 here. Because 5 was in the units place, so we write 5. And 1 was in the tens place, so we wrote here 1. And what is 3 plus 1? It is 4. And what is 4 plus 1? It is 5. So this is the answer. Next question. What is 56,427 plus 10,648? And what is 8 plus 7? It is 15. So we write here 5. To carry over. And what is 4 plus 2? It is 6. And 6 plus 1? It is 7. And what is 6 plus 4? It is 10. And there was nothing. So we write 0 and 1 carry over. And 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And what is 6? 5 plus 1, it is 6. So this is the answer. Here is 7. What is 7 plus 9? 7 plus 9 is 16. So we write here 6 and 1 carry over. And what is 2 plus 0? 2. 2 plus 1, 3. And what is 0 plus 4? It is 4. Because nothing was carried out. And what is 8 plus 4? It is 12. So we write 2 and 1 carry over. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1, it is 9. So this is the answer. And now the next one. 6 plus 0, 6. And what is 4 plus 1? It is 5. And what is 2 plus 5? It is 7. What is 8 plus 3? It is 11. So we will write 1 and 1 carry over. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is the answer. Next. They have given how to solve this. Addition of the 6-digit and 7-digit numbers. Last year you have learned to add 5-digit numbers. 6 dash and 7-digit numbers can be added using the same method. Study the following examples. Add 1,43,057 plus 4,21,689. And how they have solved? The same method. What is 7 plus 9? It is 16. So we write here 6 because 6 was in the unit place. And we carry over 1. And what is 5 plus 8? 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 1, 14. You write like this. If there is a 5-digit, you write this way. And you add. You can do carry over 1 because sometimes we forget, no, that is why. And now we will carry over 1. And now what is 6 plus 0? It is nothing. It's only 6. And 6 plus 1, it is 7. And there is nothing because 7 is a unit digit number. And what is 3 plus 1? It is 4. So we wrote here 4. And what is 4 plus 2? It is 6. And what is 4 plus 1? It is 5. So this answer came. And now next. What is 8 plus 3? 8 plus 3 is 11. So we wrote here 1. And 1 carry over. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So we wrote here 5 and carry over 1 because 5 was in the units place. And what is 4 plus 1? It is 5. So we wrote here 5. And 5 is in a unit place. So we carry out nothing. And what is 9 plus 2? 9 plus 2 is 11. So we write 1 and 1 carry over. And what is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 is 7. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So we wrote here 8. What is 6 plus 7? 6 plus 7 is 13. So we write 3 because 3 is in the units place and 1 is in the tens place. So we carry over 1. And 2 plus nothing. So we don't write 2. We write 3 because 1 was in carry over. Now there is example 3. It is 3,12,469 plus 758 plus 24,092. And now what? Don't technique. This is also very easy. And they have said to do it mentally. But I am showing because you must understand now. That's why. And now what is 9 plus 8? 9 plus 8 is 17. And what is 17 plus 2? It is 19. And we will write 9 here. And 1 carry forward because 1 is in the units place. And what is 6 plus 5? It is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. So we write here 1 and 2 carry over. And what is 7 plus 4? It is 11. 11 plus 2, 13. So we write here 3 and 1 carry over. And what is 4 plus 2? It is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So we wrote here 7. And what is 3 plus means 1 plus 2? It is 3. And 3 plus 0 is 3. So this answer came. And 64 plus 409 plus 5,13,728. What is 9 plus 4? 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 is 21. So we write here 1 and 2 carry over. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we write here 0 and 1 carry over because 0 was in the units place and 1 was in the tens place. So we carry out. Okay. There are 10 units now. For example, I take 41. You write unit digit down and 10 digit carry over. Like that. It is. Now what is 7 plus 4? It is 11. 11 plus 1 it is 12. So we write 2 and carry over 1. And what is 3 plus 1? It is 4. And there is nothing to carry over. So we write only 1 because there is nothing to add also. And what is 5 plus nothing? And 0 we will take is 5. So this is the answer. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.